The mortal remains of 4 Liangmai Naga men who were killed in an ambush carried out by suspected KNAFP cadres in an area located between Makwe Asang and Thanamba Naga were brought to Senapati District Hospital this morning. Earlier, the movement of the bodies were reportedly stopped at T. Waichong, a Kuki village, and Kangpokpi Police SP had to intervene before the bodies were allowed to proceed under CRPF escort. The mortal remains were first received by civil society organization CSOs of Senapati at Thonglang Atongba, a Liangmai village, at around 8:30 a.m. The village authority presented 4 shawls for the deceased during the reception. The bodies subsequently reached Senapati District Hospital around 10:24 a.m., where they have been kept for post-mortem examination. A large number of people gathered along the route and at the reception point to receive and pay their respects to the deceased. Several family members reportedly fainted upon receiving the mortal remains and were placed on IV drips at the hospital. The funeral program will be held at Senapati tomorrow morning before the mortal remains are taken to Chawang Kingning for burial ceremony.